सुबह के बजे हैं 7, डे 1 इन गोवा एंड जस्ट समंदर के पास में हम लोग आ गए हैं, मैं और नीता। और पिछली बार हम लोगों ने जो समंदर देखा था और जो अब है, एंड पूरी रात बारिश हुई है। And what we are seeing right now, what I'm about to show you is like, it's scary. That's the word. मतलब it is actually scary. The way the water is almost hitting the beach. Sand is not there. मतलब the beach is not there at all. So let me quickly show you. मैं आपको तुरंत दिखा देता हूँ कि समंदर अभी कैसा दिख रहा है. Look at, is just crashing onto the shore. थोड़ी देर के बाद शायद ये कम हो जाएगा क्योंकि हाई टाइड है अभी. वंस दिस इज लो टाइड आई थिंक सो वी कैन सी मोर ऑफ द बीच. मतलब ऑलमोस्ट एक 50-60 मीटर तक अंदर था, अभी तो हाई टाइड की वजह से. एंड पूरी रात बारिश हुई है. देयर वाज अ शैक हियर बट देन ये अभी, और आई डोंट थिंक सो दिस अवेलेबल. हो सकता है रेनोवेशन करेंगे. Most of the shacks that were here are not open right now. तो बाकी के दिन में हम आपको दिखाते हैं. Let us just enjoy the beach right now. Just अभी हम लोग निकल रहे हैं. हेलमेट कंपलसरी, मास्क कंपलसरी. इसके बिना 500 फाइन, इसके बिना 1000 फाइन. नीता, आपको क्या कहना है?
गुड मॉर्निंग.
बस गुड मॉर्निंग.
बस अभी नहीं, बाद में मिलेंगे.
तो चलिए आपको कराते हैं गोवा की सैर, फिर मिलते हैं. So for breakfast we are here at Rise and Shine Cafe. That's the menu right now. And this place is right opposite to Doubletree by Hilton. So here we are right now. It's right on the road. And as you can see, so hopefully एक अच्छा ब्रेकफास्ट हम यहाँ पे करेंगे राइज एंड शाइन पे. और फाइनली हम लोग बागा बीच में पहुंच चुके हैं. एंड ये तो फिलहाल तो बाहर अभी हम लोग हैं यहाँ पर, गॉगल्स वगैरह देख रहे हैं. एंड हमारे पीछे ये पार्किंग स्पॉट्स वगैरह हैं. सो नाउ वी आर अबाउट टू एंटर बागा. सो गाइज, दिस इज द गोवा बागा बीच, द वेरी फेमस स्पॉट, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस बीचेस after Kalangut.
Temporary permanent आएगा, आर्टिफिशियल है, permanent है.
So as you can see, the tourists are back. We are also tourists, so we are also back. What is available right now are these tables. So I think so by the end of October, beginning of October, the beach bed should be back. धूप ज़्यादा नहीं है. The weather is good. Quite a few people back on the Baga beach. There, that's the name. And we just keep you posted of what's going around, what's happening, what are the yeses and what are the no's. एंड जैसा आप देख सकते हो वहाँ पर एक लाइफ गार्ड ऑलरेडी है, तो आप ज़्यादा पानी के अंदर जाना अलाउड नहीं है. लेकिन मे बी सम पीपल आर गोइंग इनटू द वाटर, बट देन ज़्यादा अंदर तक आप पानी में नहीं जा सकते हो. कुछ रेस्टोरेंट्स बंद हो चुके हैं. पिछली बार जब हम आए थे वो ओपन थे, बट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर नॉट ओपन एज ऑफ नाउ. Brittos is where we plan to go in the afternoon, so let's see. So basically we thought that the beds were not there, but then after walking towards Brittos at Baga itself, here we are on the beds once again. And आगे भी, but then इन लोगों ने इस बार क्या किया है कि the beds are not in a line, it's only in front of the restaurant. तो जिस रेस्टोरेंट के सामने वो बेड्स हैं, आप उसी रेस्टोरेंट से आपको ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा. तो एक बेड भी अगर उस तरफ हो गया तो दूसरे रेस्टोरेंट का बेड हो जाता है. एंड देन ऑर्डर्स विल बी टेकन फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर रेस्टोरेंट. एज यूजुअल इट इज 100 रुपीज पर बेड. एंड एज वी आर हियर chilling for 1 hour with the umbrella on our heads. So good thing that the beds are back, so you can relax, order your food and your drink and chill. So we are here at the Brittos and we'll just let you know how the food is. One of the best food places that is there. So we are here. So let's enjoy a grub. So Baga Brittos remains the most famous place for a lot of people, and you can see celebrities coming over here. That's the entrance. So you can enter from the beach as well, and that's the entrance from outside. So this place is since 1965. So that's your bar over here, and that's the restaurant inside. So one wonderful place, great music, great food. That's the catch of the day, and it goes as per size. So how much is this one? This 1350. That's the lobster. There's the tiger prawn, right? It's 1450. So that's one single
4 pieces.
4 pieces. Okay. Why this is 1050? That's just size. There's a pomfret.
Kingfish.
There's a kingfish. Okay. So you can order the catch of the day as well. So after 5 minutes of looking into the menu, we have decided to go with the Brittos Goan seafood platter. Got clams, prawn, samaraki, kodi. I'm sorry. Please forgive my mistakes here. Calamari ricardo, prawns, baffed gravy, fish curry, rava fish, fry spicy, baked crab, calamari zakuti, mussels, caffrel, rice goan. And what is this? Acha, there's something between all of these three. So let's see the size of the platter and we'll show it to you as well. So that's the platter that we ordered, and it's like a train that has come in. Ship. That's the Brittos ship that you see. Starting from the bread, there's calamari, there is the fish, and calamari again. And let's see how this tastes, and then we'll let you know. So that's the squid fry. I've already finished almost 5 to 6 of these. They're like pretty soft, and it's all coated in rava. And the best part of all of these, the containers that you see, these are all actual coconut shells. So the entire serving has been happening on coconut shells itself, and there's yet a lot of food to cover, and we are up for it. Amazing food. So right now we are here at the Anjuna Beach once again, from where we started the day. We were at Baga for a very long time, had lunch at Brittos. Awesome time, awesome food, and we are back at the beach again. And so another 5 minutes I'll also go into the water. थोड़ा मजा करेंगे पानी के अंदर भी. And आज का day 1 हम लोग इसी तरह से खत्म करेंगे. We will not go out anywhere. Tomorrow onwards we will go to different places. तो हम आपके साथ बने रहेंगे और आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए. Thank you.